This 2020 Renegade RV Veracruz 3.5 MDS diesel double slide is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Renegade RV is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features a Driftwood, tan, cream, brown classic neutrals, interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, TV, stovetop burner, skylight, air conditioning, self-contained, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2020 Renegade RV Veracruz 3.5 MDS diesel double slide is built on a Ford F550 chassis and is powered by a Powerstroke engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.